How to change DNS? Google Chrome. Want faster, safer browsing? Let's change DNS settings in Google Chrome step by step. So first, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Google Chrome tab and then select Settings from here. Now select Privacy and Security at the left side and then click on Security. This is where you'll find DNS options. Scroll down to use Secure DNS, toggle it on to activate custom DNS providers. Select with, then choose a provider. Popular options are Google DNS and Cloudflare or OpenDNS. For all apps, change DNS at the system level. On Windows, go to Network Settings, IPv4, Properties, and enter the DNS servers. And that is how to change DNS on Google Chrome.